It rained heavily yesterday. In Jiangnan, there were orders worth hundreds on that day. No one fought over a 100 yuan order. It's not raining today. The hall is filled with orders worth a few yuan. There's also a 26-kilometer order for 20 yuan. Hehe, are you scared? Are you scared? You won't get it. You won't get it, the platform said. Not earning money is your problem. There are orders for you. There are orders for you. You're not scared. I'm giving you so much money. Take the money. He doesn't dare to compete. He is really scared. He spends, or else it would be tough.